Nag-film ako! Nakalagay no caller ID. Hindi ko sinasagutan no caller ID kasi... Who are you? Hello mga friends! My name is Amy of amyspassiondiary and welcome upon YouTube channel. So today, magpipilm ako ng another haul video. Grabe! Alam ko naisip nyo na parang
kayaman mo, Amy, puro ka na lang haul.
Hindi po yun na totoo.
Hindi ako mayaman.
Yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo na haul, actually, hindi ko naman siya binili ng one time lang. And these things na katulad na papakita ko ngayon sa haul video na ito, bilhin ko siya kasi I really need them. And yung iba naman, gusto ko talaga i-try. Not just for myself, pero para sa inyo rin, para ma-review ko rin. But anyhow, so nakita nyo naman, mali. Nakita nyo naman na sa aking light box and sa title ng video na ito na it's Althea Korea haul. So, grabe sinisipon ako Hindi talaga ako dapat mag-film, kaya lang sabi ko,
sayang man aking mock-up, hindi naman ako mag-film, diba?
So sabi ko, mag-film lang ako, and para magamit ko na rin itong mga items na to. Ito yung i-haul ko today. Sa Althea Korea siya, as I said, ayan, yung sticker nila na napaka-bongga. So, dalawa sila. Yung una ko ipapakita, it's a smaller box. Ayan siya. And ano pa to, 2 months na siyang naandito na na-deliver sa bahay. Ngayon ko pala siya i-haul kasi talagang may mga nakaline up ako na videos na gusto ko pang tapusin, which is yung Pandora nga. Hindi pa rin ako tapos hanggang ngayon, nakakaloka.
Anong pecha na, girl?
But ayun, so anyhow, mga may passionate loves, i-follow nyo nga pala ako sa Instagram if you haven't already kasi mostly, pinopost ko tong mga kind of upcoming videos ko or sneak peek ko ano yung magiging next video ko sa Instagram ko. I-follow nyo rin ako sa Facebook fan page ko. Lahat ng link ilalagay ko sa description box kung gusto nyo ako i-follow, and that would be great. Pero if not, okay lang rin. So anywho, na-discover ko yung Althea Korea actually to Simply Race. I know na kilala nyo siya kasi napaka-popular niya na Filipina na YouTuber. Mag-start tayo dito. Kapag ka-order ka sa Althea Korea, ganito yung plastic bag. Ganito siya pag dumating siya sa inyo. And another thing, kaya ako na yung ganyo na umorder guys sa Althea Korea kasi meron naman, alam ko, inisip nyo na may skincare naman dyan sa Europe and maraming choices, maraming bonggang skincare. Meron drugstore, may high-end. Hindi naman sa na-try ko na yung mga drugstore na skincare products dito sa Holland. Kaya lang, nag-breakout yung skin ko for some reason. I think na hindi appropriate yung ingredients ng skincare nila sa skin type ko. I think na my skin is too sensitive para sa skincare nila. I do prepare yung sa Korean products or yung Japanese na skincare kasi yun yung most na nag-work sa skin ko. At least yung hindi nag-breakout, that's most important for me. So, ito siya, naka-bubble wrap siya kapag na-receive niyo siya. So, talagang protective yung product na ma-receive nyo kasi naka-bulk pa siya ng bubble wrapper. Which I think na sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi talagang they do take care of the parts that they sent you, yung order mo. So, ayun, ito siya yung actual box, which you guys are familiar. So, ayan, nakalagay ito yung Althea na, logo nila. And then, i-open mo siya ng pag-ganun. Yes! Tapos dito, nakalagay iba't ibang informations about Althea Korea. Ayan. So, hindi ko na rin siya i-elaborate. Na-open ko na siya kasi meron akong product na kinuha dito na kailangan ko talagang gamitin. Which makikita nyo later on. But ito siya. Pag umorder ka sa Althea Korea, sa akin, it takes 2 weeks before ko siya ma-receive, which is I don't mind. Sometimes lesser than 2 weeks. Nakadepende yata kung gaano kabilis yung pag-ship nila and kung gaano also kabilis din yung sa customs sa country nyo. But yeah, sometimes it's early than what you expected na 2 weeks mo marireceive. But mostly itong first, ipapakita ko sa inyo itong first box na ito, first order na ito. Mostly ang in-order ko is mga face mask. Meron pa ako mga face mask downstairs, but I felt like they're so old na. I gotta get rid some of them, but some of them my boyfriend says like, gagamitin ko lang siya, umutapon kasi sayang. Tama nga naman kasi pinagkagastusan niya yun ang bongga, tapos natatapon ko lang diba? And ayun, so siya yung gumagamit ng mga face mask sa baba. Ang kinaganda sa Althea Korea guys, napakamura ng mga products nila. Yung mga face mask na binili ko siya actually because of Simply Race. So let's start na. So the first thing I saw is this. Wala kasi nila bibigay ng sample items na pwede mo i-try katulad dito. They gave me this, which is bare essentials yung brand niya. Tapos may 3 different products to try it out. Ay nakalagay contour cleanser, primer, water, and fixer cream. Meron din ako na ito sa baba pa kasi I ordered also like a couple of months ago. Napaka nila, generous na magbigay ng sample products na pwede mo i-try. Tapos ito, it's this one. It also comes with a pamphlet. So para alam mo yung information about sa products na ito na gagamitin mo sa face. Which is hindi kasi nakalagay siya sa Korean na language and I don't understand Korean. Kaya ayun. So handy na may pamphlet na kasama na nakalagay siya sa translated sa English. So kukuha na ako ng mga items dito sa box para mabilis. Hindi ko na siya i-sort according to the things na gusto ko ipakita first. So let's start off. Ito yung nasa ibabaw. Kung yung nasa ibabaw. Yun yung papakita ko. So ang unang papakita is itong face mask na white flower mask pa from the brand Wang Skin. Ayan siya. Guys, hindi ko alam yung prices niya out of my head. So, mag-link na lang ako sa description box na dapat yung malaman and as well as link para ma-purchase niyo siya if interested kayo guys. And I highly recommend that try niyo yung mga mask nila kasi sobrang mura na until now. So, i-try niyo siya. I think that this one is the most kind of like a little bit the pricier one and you got only 5. As you can see, I only have 4 kasi ginamit ko na yung isa kagabi, isang araw. Kasi sobrang dull ng face ko. Dahil siguro sobrang ilang days din ako na nag-makeup. So sabi ko, shit, kailangan talaga ng mag-face mask. Sobrang dry na ng mukha ko. Parang nagbibitak-bitak na siya. Ang pangit nagbibitak-bitak. Parang wall lang. Sa head. But anyhow, so, ito yung first mask. Diba? Ang cute-cute niya. It's a light pink color. Diba? Natry ko siya. And by the way, dalawa yung laman niya sa loob. Kasi natry ko mga kaya alam ko. Siya nga pala, I forgot to mention, ang skin type ko is normal to dry. So, most of the products na binibili ko is like hydrating or moisturizing products. Kasi kailangan siya ng skin ko kasi talagang dry ang skin ko. Lalo pag winter, nag-aay siya ng mamalat. But anyway, so let's move on. I ordered, I see here only one of this. It's my skin mask, honey. It's moisturizing. As I said, I focus on products na moisturizing para sa skin ko. So, ayan siya. So, next, ito. Inorder ko siya kasi ang cute-cute niya. Sobra. Hands down, yung Japanese and Korean brands. Hands down yung packaging nila. The cutest ever. Yet Don't Worry mask sheet. It's infant mask. It's anti-wrinkle mask from the brand YET or Yet. Yes, Enjoy Time. Ayan siya. So next mask is this one. Mayroon akong 10 pieces. Ang dami. I will share it with my boyfriend kasi gusto ko rin nagpumask yung boyfriend ko. Not just me taking care of my skin. I want also to take care of my boyfriend's skin kasi he's on his 30s too. I'm on my 30s too and I try to kind of like yung, alam mo yun, i-maintain mo na healthy yung skin mo and well moisturized. So, eto. And sobrang mura nito. I think it was $350. Tapos may 10 mask ka na, sheet mask. Grabe, ayan guys, oh. And this one is the Berry Everyday Mask Firming. It's for all skin type. I am into anti-wrinkle products. Give me anything, like whether it's moisturizer, a moisturizer or face mask. Give it to me. I will try it. I will use it. I have anti-wrinkle products. Kasi I am 31 na. So I tried my best to avoid yung wrinkles sa face ko. So far so good naman. I think that I am taking good care of my skin naman kasi I don't see any wrinkles naman. Mostly makikita mo siya diba sa sides ng eyes. And so far wala pa naman akong wrinkles on the sides of my eyes, just around my eyes, which I am thank you to God that I haven't have those wrinkles. It will come, but hopefully not any sooner. So ayan siya. Bumili rin ako ng lip tint, dalawa, from different brands. So I started with this one. At yung pinakamura, it was I think €5 yata siya. Ito is the light Tony tint from Tony Moly. Ayan siya. I know that it's a reddish color. And this one is the shade number 2. Alam ko walang names sila. Yeah, it's number 2. Ayan yung itsura niya. I'm into lip tint kasi summer na dito sa Holland, or maybe it's not yet, but it's so hot and can be really humid dito sa Holland. Kaya mas prepare ko yung lip tint kasi pagka nag-liquid lipstick ako, parang sobrang dry siya for some reason na summer. Even though it's summer, you're supposed to be like kind of sweaty and everything. But for some reason, my lips get super dry. Yung phone ko may tumatawa. Nag-film ako! Nakalagay no caller ID. Hindi ko sinasagutan no caller ID kasi who are you? So yung next product na papakita ko sa inyo is yung Peripera ba yun? Na-pronounce nyo Peripera yata? Ayan siya na, ba to? Paris Ink Velvet. This is in the shade So Grapefruit. Ang cute niya. Na nakita ko ito na in-open ko siya. Sabi ko, wow, ang cute. I-review ko siya guys sa different video. Naka-sealed pa siya. Oh, ang cute. Look! Ang cute niya! May pa-dropper effect pa siya na ganun. Dalimutan ko kung anong color siya. I think it's kind of orangey red. Hindi ko matandaan guys. Okay, ang next product na ipapakita ko is this one. Actually, wala na itong laman kasi ginamit ko siya, I think, 2 days before my birthday. I ran out of my Estee Lauder moisturizer. This is Derma-Soothing Mineral O2 Cream. And it says here, it has hyaluronic acid and supplies moisture and elasticity. So, na-try ko na siya for a long time. Wala siya laman. Tignan nyo, ayaw maniwala. Wala siya laman. Kasi yung tub niya, yung container niya is nasa baba, nasa bathroom. Ginagamit ko siya. So, no surprisingly, ang next products are mask na naman. This is the Rise Everyday Mask Brightening. It's also for all skin type. And it's a brightening mask. And I like those type of mask din na brightening kasi pagka sobrang dull ng skin ko, and sometimes you kinda have those days that you kinda have breakouts then, and sometimes it kinda leaves yung pimple marks. I had acne before, and after I actually cured my acne, I got really into brightening products, not just mask, but in general, like moisturizer. And I even tried, I think, na whitening products. Para lang, hindi para maging white, mag-light yung skin tone ko. Not for that, but yung pimple, yung acne scars. Yung acne scars na mag-lighten up siya. So, yeah, I'm gonna insert like a picture here on the screen para maniwala kayo na I suffered from acne for 2 years straight. From 2013 to 2015, I suffered from acne, and my boyfriend knows that too. Alright, so ang last na products na ipapakita ko sa inyo, empty na siya as you can see. So ang next mask na ipapakita ko sa inyo, ay honey pala ito rin. So more than, by the way, yung rice mask, 10 pieces din siya, and the same price ng berry mask. It's also like 350, 360, and may 10 mask ka na, diba? Napakabongga, and napakamura. So ito rin 10 pieces ng sheet mask. Bongga. And I said this is a honey everyday mask nourishing. It's for all skin type again. So I'm excited to try this one, and I'm gonna have like face mask night with my boyfriend when we are like feeling like putting on some face mask. Dahil sa sobrang haba ng video na to, I'm gonna have a separate video for the second box. So I guess it's pretty about it. So I hope that you all enjoy this whole video introducing Althea Korea products. And if you haven't tried Althea Korea, I highly recommend na i-try nyo siya kasi napakabongga ng shipping niya. And mura lang rin ang shipping niya. It's $7 or €7 for standard shipping, and you just need and €8 for express shipping. And I got this one like standard yata na shipping. That's why it took a bit long. So ayun, there's quite a few options with the shipping, and as you can see, the box is so adorable. Just in general, how they actually send the products, it's really beautifully packed, and sobrang love ko ang Althea Korea. And I will continue shopping from this website, from this company, because it's amazing. Another thing, this is not a sponsored video. I bought everything with my own money, and that's pretty about it. So again, please do follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook page, Snapchat, Twitter, and yeah, even my blog if you want. All the links will be in the description box, as I said. And ayun lang, so lahat ng information that you need to know about all the things that I've shown you, it will be found also sa description box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will help grow our channel. And sana mabigyan nyo ng thumbs up ang video na to if you like Althea Korea. And there's gonna be more Althea Korea stuff on the next video. So salamat sa panonood, and I wish you all a lovely day, lovely evening, whichever part of the world you are. And always remember, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone!